नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे जो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के रिटायरी साथी हैं उनको अभी तक एक्सग्रेशिया का पेमेंट नहीं हुआ और इस संबंध में फेडरेशन ऑफ एसबीआई पेंशनर एसोसिएशंस ने एक सर्कुलर 18 अप्रैल को जारी किया था। हालांकि ये देर हुआ, लेकिन हमारे बहुत साथी को जानकारी नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इसके बारे में आपको एलोबरेट कर रहा हूँ। पेमेंट ऑफ एक्सग्रेशिया, we understand there is a growing agony in the minds of our members for the delay in payment of ex-gratia payable as per the 12th bipartite and 9 joint note. We have already advised that a sizable number of pensioners eligible for enhanced amount of pension could not be included in the last month exercise, and some more number of pensioners, the 7th bipartite retirees, have been found eligible for enhancement after adding PQP and FPA as per our long-lasting demand. The bank is trying hard to accommodate all the beneficiaries of the abolition of the 40 to 50% imbalance during the month's pension disbursement. This is a priority for the bank, as the bank has to report back to the court about compliance of government order on the next date of hearing, scheduled on 2nd May 24. The above is one reason for the delay in payment of ex-gratia. Secondly, as already shared with our affiliates members via our letter dated 15 March 24, we urged upon the bank to circulate the ex-gratia on notional calculation of pension at the rate of 50% as on 31st October 22 for those who were being paid less than the amount, else those pensioners will get an inferior amount to their peers in other banks who were getting 50% of last pay as pension on the effective date of ex gratia, that is from 1st November 22. As the bank has found reason in our submission, the same has been forwarded to the IBA for their clearance, which is yet to be responded to. We are waiting with the fingers crossed, but with the hope in our minds for a positive response. We hope that rank and file will appreciate the reason for delay in payment of ex gratia and maintain restraint for some time further to ensure similarity is benefit for all. Accordingly, friends, we hope that the ex gratia payment in State Bank of India, चूंकि वहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म रेट ऑफ पेंशन के बारे में भी मामला चल रहा है, सो इट इज ये हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि कोर्ट के कंप्लायंस के साथ साथ जो 2 मई को कोर्ट में देना है जवाब, उसके साथ साथ ये कोशिश होगी स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में कि मई के पेंशन के साथ ये आपको पेमेंट एक्सग्रेशिया का पेमेंट हो जाए। वी आर वेरी होपफुल। यदि कोई अपडेट आता है। नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, और स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया पेंशनर्स के लिए एक और भी मैसेज है जो सौरभ घोष, डिप्टी जीएम पी एंड पीएमडी SBICC मुंबई ने शेयर किया। ग्रीटिंग फ्रॉम स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, वी आर प्लीज्ड टू शेयर दैट बैंक हैज इनिशिएटेड following payment pertaining to pension revision at the 50% and ex gratia introduced in 12th bipartite 9 joint note. Revised pension at the rate of 50% applicable with effect from 10th November 23 has been being paid to all the eligible pensioners in the month of March/April 24. In case of any anomaly, non-payment etc., data is being rectified by the respective circle PPG department and shall be processed in due course. Ex gratia for the pensioner introduced in 12th BPS 9 joint note for retirees up to 11 bipartite settlement will be paid subsequently after receiving clarification from the IBA and the operationalization of the functionality in HRMS. Revision of pension for family pensioner who are getting full family pension at the rate of 50% is in the process and shall be paid in May 24. Inclusion of PQP and FPP in computation of pension for 7 bipartite retirees with effect from 10th November 23 is in process and shall be paid in the pension for the month of May 24. Thanks and regards, Saurabh Ghosh, Deputy GM, PNPMD, SBI CC, Mumbai. Friends, it is now clarified that the rest of the pensioner जिसको अभी तक एक्स ग्रेसिया का पेमेंट 12th बाइपार्टाइट के हिसाब से नहीं मिला है, वो बैंक मई के पेंशन के साथ भुगतान करेगी। रेस्ट एश्योर। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।